What's up, guys, and happy Thursday. Today I'm going to be starting on getting this ready for Saturday. That's the RPM show. For anybody wondering, that's Carroll, Iowa. It's $15 to enter, I think. It's a lot of classic cars, but I'd like to get a lot more imports and stuff involved in that. Sounds like we got a few guys interested in that, some local guys who are imports, so that's going to be pretty awesome. I'm going to start off with basically a wipe down. And I've looked a lot for some tire shine that works really well, that doesn't slot. And this Armor All Extreme Shine, it's a little block thing here, works really well. So I'll kind of give you guys a heads up on that. Just goes right inside that groove there, if you can see that. And we'll kind of let that soak in. And some other news I kind of wanted to talk about. Today, actually, the C8 Corvette gets revealed. Now, it's actually caused a lot of flack. I've heard a lot of guys who are a lot of older generation fans that don't seem to like the mid-engine Corvette. For those of you guys wondering and not really wanting to look too far into it, the reveal is actually happening at 9:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, where they'll show it. I mean, I know there's some pictures and stuff out there within the camouflage and stuff like that, but I mean, it's going to have its full reveal, specs and everything, MSRP, tomorrow 9:30 Central Standard Time. It's happening actually in California. Anyways, I've talked to a few people where some people are upset about the mid-engine Corvette and some people are happy about it. And what I've tend to notice is the older generation is upset about it, where the younger generation is excited for it. Me personally, I'm excited for it. I'll tell you more after I see the reveal and check it out. But I hope that the price doesn't reflect. I mean, I understand it's going to be expensive, but I hope the Kyra's coming around. I didn't know what was going on back there. Anyways, I hope the price doesn't reflect. I hope it's not a steep price. I hope it's not, you know, the base model isn't, you know, more expensive than, you know, the ZR1 or ZL1 or anything like that. I really hope that's not the case. Kyra's here. Kyra, what do you think of the Corvette? Kyra, hey. What do you think of the Corvette? Do you like the Corvette? What color is your favorite one?
Rainbow.
The rainbow vet. All right, you hear that? Don't hate us. She likes rainbow vets. Kyra. Are Corvettes for boys or girls?
Girls.
They're for girls. Now, I like Corvettes. Go ahead, sit down. I like Corvettes. I'm actually interested in one. That's actually one of the cars I'm looking at to get a drift build going, but I'm interested in an early C5. Kyra really wants to say hi to you guys. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Say like, comment, subscribe.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Sorry about that. I forgot where I left off there. Anyways, I personally like Corvettes. I like the C5s. I don't quite understand the hype of all the new stuff, but I definitely see where it's a step in a fantastic direction. But anyways, I'm going to keep going on with this. Let me know what you guys think of the new C8 down below. Remember to watch tonight at 9:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for the unveiling of the C8 Corvette. Now this stuff's been on here a couple minutes now, and you can leave it on dry. What I recommend is wiping it off, otherwise you're going to get a whole lot of slop, and that's what we don't want. And there you have it, a good looking tire. Shines pretty good. It's a good look. Now I'm gonna repeat that with all 4 tires, obviously. But yeah, it's a nice local show. It's Carol's 150th anniversary. Not a whole lot I'm gonna be doing with the car. Not a whole lot worth filming for. Haven't been feeling fantastic tonight, so I just kind of wanted to record something, that way you guys had something for tomorrow. But you know, I wanted to know what your guys' thoughts on the C8 is. I'm pretty excited. I'm excited about it, and I would never buy one. But I'm excited to see the direction GM is going. Tomorrow I'll probably do a full detail on the 240. I'll show you kind of some tips and tricks I use. Some stuff that actually is pretty hard with detailing around the vinyl without it actually peeling up. That was a learning curve for me. So that sucked, and I actually YouTubed a lot of that stuff and I couldn't seem to find anything. But cleaning some door jams and, you know, get the carpet cleaned up, get the interior cleaned up. Sucks I haven't been able to be on the track a whole lot this year, but you know, it is what it is, and we'll keep on trucking. It sounds like Scrapeyard made a post, and it sounds like August we should be able to get back on track. So, like I said, sorry for the boring video, but I don't feel fantastic. I wanted to put out a video for you guys. I wanted to talk a little bit about the C8, the mid-engine Corvette. Not a whole lot I can say on it. You know, and nothing's released yet. I don't want to talk on any hearsay or anything like that. Just from the aesthetics I've seen and the camo pictures, it looks like it's going to look really, really, really good, and it looks like it has a Ferrari vibe almost. But yeah, C8 Corvette. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys are going to be watching. Again, that's 9:30 Central Standard Time for the reveal. Till next time, like, comment, subscribe, keep on sliding.